If you have a DUI or any other criminal record in the United States, Canada may refuse your entry even if the offense happened many years ago. Canada treats some United States offenses as equal to Canadian criminal offenses. The good news is that there are clear legal options that can allow you to enter Canada again once you understand how they work. The first option is called a temporary resident permit, also known as a TRP. A TRP is special permission that lets you enter Canada even though you are still considered inadmissible. A TRP does not delete or fix your record. It simply allows you to enter for a limited time, such as one trip, several months, or even up to 3 years. There are 2 ways to apply for a TRP. The first way is at the port of entry. This means you apply directly at the border or airport when you arrive in Canada. A port of entry TRP is usually used when travel is urgent. This can be last-minute work, unexpected business, family emergencies, or important events. The officer reviews your documents on the spot and decides immediately. The timeline for this option is same day because the decision is made right there at the border. The second way to get a TRP is through the Canadian consulate inside the United States. This is done before you travel. You prepare a full application with forms, court documents, police certificates, proof of sentence completion, and a personal statement. A visa officer reviews your file and gives you a written decision. The timeline for this option is usually 3 to 6 months. The benefit is that you know the result before traveling and there is no surprise at the border. The third option is criminal rehabilitation. This is the permanent solution. Criminal rehabilitation removes your inadmissibility for Canadian immigration purposes. Once approved, your past offense no longer blocks your entry. You do not need a TRP again. The timeline to become eligible for criminal rehabilitation is 5 years after completing every part of your sentence, including fines, probation, and classes. The processing time after submitting the application is usually 6 to 12 months. Here is a simple way to understand the differences. A port of entry TRP is fast, but less predictable because the decision is made on the spot. A consulate TRP is slower but safer because the decision is made in advance. Criminal rehabilitation is the permanent fix and gives lifetime travel freedom. Here is how to choose the correct option. Use a port of entry TRP only when your travel is truly urgent and you cannot wait. Use a consulate TRP when you want a secure and predictable decision before you arrive at the border. Use criminal rehabilitation when at least 5 years have passed since finishing your sentence and you want a long-term solution that removes the problem completely. All 3 options require strong supporting documents. These include FBI background checks, state police certificates, certified court documents, proof of sentence completion, employment records, reference letters, and a clear personal statement. Strong documents and honest explanations greatly increase your chances of approval. Many people are refused because their documents are incomplete, dates are missing, or their personal statement does not explain the situation clearly. A strong application is organized, detailed, and easy for the officer to understand. You can download the free TRP and criminal rehabilitation guide using the link below. It explains each option step by step and includes complete checklists for both TRP and criminal rehabilitation. If you want help with your own case, you can schedule a consultation using the link in the description. The consultation fee is credited toward your professional charges if you move forward with your application. Entering Canada with a past offense is possible when you understand these pathways and prepare properly. With the right strategy, you can travel to Canada with confidence.